that we had a couple of pieces, this candy cane for one, this candy cane also, because of the spacers and the way that things are layered, they kind of were floating out there, and I was worried about shipping them. However, to put a wood spacer underneath of that, I was afraid that it was going to show a little bit too much, be distracting, because these cuts are thin. So what I came up with was putting a glass spacer underneath. Whenever I cut glass, clear glass especially, I break up all of the extra pieces in little square chunks with the idea that I can make my own fire glass and use it. But these little pieces of glass that I have cut are perfect little spacers. Some of them, they're not specifically sized since we're just cutting them by hand. So you just kind of go through and find the piece that works for the spacer that you're trying to create. I didn't glue mine in at all. I just slid them under before I added resin in any place that I thought was going to be a little bit fragile, would potentially have a problem with shipping. So I did, let me see if I can move this over. I added a little piece under here. I added a little piece of glass here, and then a third one under this candy cane on this side. So if you turn it up to the side, you can just barely make out this piece of clear glass. And I think that it turned out perfectly.